Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We have some brand new friends, the Numberblocks, and we're going to learn to count today with these fun, colorful figures. Let's get them out of the box. La 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 la. Here is number 1. What color is number 1? She is red. And there's the number 1 above her head. Red and head rhyme. And number 1 only has one eyeball. Did you know this colored part is called the iris, or the cornea is the surface of the eye. It's number 2. There is 2 above his head, and he has 1, 2 orange cubes. And number 2 wears glasses. There's some purple frames to help him see. La 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 la. It's number 3. Hello. There's number 3 above her head, and she has 1, 2, 3 yellow cubes. And a little crown on her head, and 1, 2, 3 buttons. And the crown has 1, 2, 3 pieces. Oh, it's number 4. Number 4 is quite tall and green. He has 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. He's so tall, we can't see the number 4 above your head. There we go. Who's next? La 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 la. It's number 5. And she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue cubes. And she has a little star and a circle around her eye. And there's a star on her hand. Altogether, how many blocks are there? Shall we add them together? We can just count using Mr. Pointer. Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 blocks in total. What if we add 2 and 4 together? How many blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. What a fun way to learn math! All right, Tiny fans, it's time to say goodbye. But before we do, did you see Swiper hiding somewhere earlier in the video? If not, you can go back and have a look. Swiper, no swiping!